Hi there, welcome to TopDawg. Let's walk through how easy it is to sign up and connect your store with TopDawg. Start by visiting TopDawg.com and clicking Create Free Account. Next, enter your name, email, and password. Setup takes just a few seconds. Check your email for a quick verification link, then log in to access your dashboard. Whether you're starting fresh or already have an online store, TopDawg makes it easy to launch a brand new store or seamlessly connect your existing one. To connect an existing store, just select Connect Existing Store on your dashboard and select your platform. To build or open a new store, just select Build New Store on your dashboard and select your platform. If you use a platform that's not yet available, our custom integration option is recommended. After choosing the store or platform you'd like to connect or build with, select on the option that applies to you, then follow the steps to complete the integration. If prompted, authorize TopDawg's access to your store. This allows your products, pricing, and inventory to stay perfectly synced in real time. Once connected, you'll see your store import list on your dashboard. You're now ready to browse the product catalog and start adding items. If you'd like to learn more about navigating your dashboard or connecting to a specific platform, like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, or Walmart, then check out the videos in our Video Learning Center.
Connect, simplify, scale. TopDawg, leading the pack in dropshipping.